Okay, what's going on here? Chicken in the what? In the water? Are you? It's an old recipe. Is it? Are you supposed to boil knickers or something when you're cleaning them? Milk in a frying pan. Don't you need coconut milk? Tomato ketchup, otherwise known as red sauce. Fucking hell, you're posh. What's going on? Ginger paste and garlic paste in milk. Stock pot, stock, chicken stock. Puree. Oh my God, what is going on? This looks like a fucking car crash. At least you're putting chili powder. That's nice. We like this. Coriander. Okay, you can put some fresh afterwards. What you're gonna do? You're gonna really cook this off. You're gonna. Oh, are you fucking left-handed, right-handed? Look at the fucking mess. What's going on? Use your proper hand. That doesn't look good. Doesn't look right. Rice in cold water. Okay, you're doing a cold start. You can do that way. Bit of rice in there. Oh, the chicken looks pocked. It looks like fucking rubber. Nothing's gonna go inside that chicken. Nothing will penetrate that chicken. No spices, no salt. Nothing will go inside. Throw it in the bin. Start again. We'll marinate the chicken. We'll fry it. We'll put it in the oven. Oh, fucking hell. You might as well use a spoon. What are you doing? You're scratching in the fucking pan. Don't you like your pan? Throw it in the fucking bin. Okay, I get it. You're gonna put some more sauce in there. You're gonna put... No. You're going to fucking eat it. It's not for you. It is for you. I thought it might be for your pet or something. It can't be for you. You can't be eating this. This looks like pasta sauce. Why do you just have pasta instead of rice? You're blowing it. You're going to eat it. You look like you get, plenty calories. You look like fit and healthy. I don't think you eat this every day. I think maybe it's for your pet or something. It got to be. It can't be for you. Look, there he is, the fucking dog. Dog saying, butter, that's my fucking dinner. Why you fucking about with the video camera, bastard? Give me my food now.